It's called Fire and Rain from James Taylor. Bago ko po kantahin yung kanta, gusto ko lang po mag-share ng informations. Or yung iba alam na rin po yung kwento nitong Fire and Rain kasi napakalungkot na kwento nito. Tatlong part kasi yung ginawa ni James Taylor. Yung first is yung nagpakamatay, yung nag-suicide yung childhood friend niya na 6 months ago bago niya nalalaman yun. And then the second part is yung na-depress siya, saka nalulong siya sa drug addiction. And then yung third part is nagkaroon pala siya ng banda na flying machine. Hindi yung kasi meron kasing last part na bumagsak yung airplane na nag-crash into pieces. Iba pala yun. Yun pala yung hindi sumikat na banda niya na flying machine. So yun pala yung kwento ng Fire and Rain.
I just can't remember who to send it to. The lines in falling, I see rain. Saying sunny things that I thought would never end. Some lonely times when I could not find a friend. To see you again.
It's Fire and Rain. Napakagandang kwento kasi kwento ng buhay na yung ginawa niyang kanta.